वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो आज हम बनाएंगे स्क्रंचीज। ये सब मैंने खुद ही बनाया। वैलेंटाइन का टाइम है, लॉकडाउन का टाइम है और घर बैठे बैठे बोर हो रही थी, तो आई थॉट क्या बनाया जाए आज। सो आई थॉट मेकिंग स्क्रंची। अगर आप भी बनाना चाहते हैं तो विदाउट एनी फर्दर डू लेट्स गेट इनटू द वीडियो। टू मेक दिस scrunchies we require thread, elastic और rubber band, fabric of your choice or scissors. Do not cut your hair. Chalo, let's start with making this pretty scrunchies. First of all, take a fabric. Here I have taken organza fabric. Here I have taken approx 3.5 to 4 inches wide width, and the length of the fabric is like the full width of the fabric I have taken. You can use any fabric. You can use any scrap fabric that is of waste, or you can take the fabric from your old t-shirt, shirt, dress, anything of your choice, and then just cut it out. After you're done cutting, this is how it is gonna look like. It's not necessary that you have to have pro in cutting or something, because it's really not required. Now take a thread and a needle and pass the thread through the hole of the needle. This is probably the most difficult thing. But yeah, today I did it quite fast. Now take the hair tie and pass 2 ends of the fabric the way I am doing and stitch it. Secure it really tight at the initial stage only. You guys can also use a sewing machine if you have one, but I prefer this method only. After you are done stitching, this is how it is gonna look like. Now you have to turn it inside out. Now here comes the little tricky part. Now fold approx half a centimeter from both the open ends and do invisible stitch or hemming, whatever you say. Just make sure that the stitches are really clean, that is not visible at all. And yeah, here we are done with a scrunchie. Wow, that is really cool. I am loving it.
process of making the same scrunchie but in a different way. You can go for any of the way which is convenient for you. So here I have already cut a rectangular piece. The measurements are same as before. Now fold the fabric into equal half and secure it with pins. Just the way I am doing. And now again we have to stitch it half a centimeter below the line. Be very careful while using these pins. Do not hurt yourself. After you are done stitching, here also we have to turn the fabric inside out. Now take an elastic and here I am measuring it round my wrist, but of course you can always measure it your way. Now pass the elastic through the fabric tube and do it like this. Once the elastic has been passed through the tube, we have to secure both the ends of the elastic really tight by stitching it. Fold the fabric inwards like half a centimeter from both the open ends. Make sure to join both the ends that I am showing here and then start stitching. This will give a very good finishing. And now we have to do the invisible stitch or hemming or whatever you say it like. So this basically gives a very good finishing. So here we are done with another one scrunchie. Hope you all like it and also enjoyed the video. And yeah, do try this at your home and share the photos with me. Hey yo! So, if you like the scrunchies, then please give a big thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do consider subscribing it. And to get all the notifications, hit the bell button. And what else? Also comment down below what kind of videos you want to see on my channel. And I will be back with a new video super soon. And yeah. See you next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.